100 Years of Solitude, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, a multi-generational saga of the Buendia family in the mythical town of Macondo. Master everything you need to know right here in this one video. We have gathered the most critical facts, real examples, and expert insights together so you get complete clarity and confidence starting right now. In 100 Years of Solitude, Gabriel Garcia Marquez weaves a rich tapestry of magic realism, chronicling the rise and fall of the Buendia family over 7 generations in the fictional town of Macondo. The novel intricately explores themes of love, power, and destiny, set against a backdrop of mysticism and historical allegory. The core premise revolves around Jose Arcadio Buendia, the patriarch who founds Macondo. His ambitious dreams and inventions set the stage for a family legacy marked by cycles of fortune and tragedy. As each generation grapples with its own challenges, from passionate love affairs to devastating wars, the town itself transforms, reflecting the family's internal struggles and triumphs. Through the lens of the Buendia family, Marquez offers transformative insights about the cyclical nature of history. One compelling theme is the inevitability of repeating the past. Despite their efforts to change, each generation of Buendias finds itself ensnared in patterns of behavior reminiscent of their ancestors, prompting readers to reflect on the persistence of human folly and the potential for redemption. Another profound insight is the exploration of solitude and its effects. The Buendia family members, despite their interconnectedness, often experience profound isolation. This solitude underscores the human condition, highlighting the dichotomy between the desire for connection and the inevitability of individual loneliness. Marquez also delves into the fluid boundary between reality and fantasy. Through magical realism, he blurs the lines between the mundane and the miraculous, inviting readers to question the nature of reality itself. This narrative style reflects the complexities and wonders of life in Latin America, offering a unique lens through which to view universal truths. A memorable moment in the novel is the recurring motif of the gypsies, led by the enigmatic Melquiades, who bring wondrous inventions and prophecies to Macondo. These visits symbolize the influx of knowledge and the inevitability of change, marking turning points in the Buendia family's saga. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, a Nobel Prize-winning author, is celebrated for his contributions to literature through the genre of magical realism. His Colombian heritage deeply informs his storytelling, infusing 100 years of solitude with cultural richness and authenticity that resonate worldwide. In the context of today's global landscape, the novel remains significant due to its exploration of themes like social change, identity, and the impact of colonialism. Its timeless narrative encourages readers to consider the ongoing cycles of history and the enduring nature of human experiences. The actionable takeaway from Marquez's masterpiece is to acknowledge and learn from the past while embracing the present. Understanding that cycles can be broken through awareness and intentional actions, readers are inspired to shape their own destinies amidst the complexities of life. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.